In the last class we discussed about what are the application in some field and some problem based on that. Now let us discuss some more problem on the applications of derivative. In that first one, this type of problems are very important. First one, a ladder 5 meter long lean against the vertical wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. How fast is its height of the on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall? What is the given? A ladder is given here. AB is the ladder of length 5 centimeter. It leans against the vertical wall. Here vertical wall is AO. The bottom of the ladder, here B is the bottom of the ladder, is pulled along the ground. It is pulling along the ground and away from the wall. We are pulling this ladder away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. Here x is the distance from O to B, then dx by dt is given, that is 2 centimeter per second. How fast is its height on the wall decreases when the foot of the ladder is 4 centimeter. If suppose x is equal to 4 centimeter, we have to find, suppose y is the height of the wall, then the dy by dt, rate of change of height of the wall, we have to find. What are the given? AB is equal to 4 centimeter at time t. See this picture, this is a one right angle triangle. By Pythagoras theorem we can say that square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of other two sides, that is x square plus y square is equal to 5 square. Differentiate with respect to t, then differentiation of x square is 2x into dx by dt plus differentiation of y square is 2y into dy by dt is equal to differentiation of constant is equal to 0. When x is equal to 4, there is given when x is equal to 4, we have to find y here. X square plus y square is equal to 5 square, substitute x square is equal to 4, then y square is equal to 5 square minus x square, that is equal to 5 square minus 4 square. 5 square is 25, 25 minus 16, that is equal to 9. Y square is equal to 9, then y is equal to square root of 9, that is equal to 3. Substitute the value here. 2 into x value is 4 into dx by dt is 2 centimeter per second plus 2 into y value just obtained, that is 3 into dy by dt, that is rate of change of height of the wall, we have to find, that is equal to 0. Then 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, brought to this side that becomes minus 16. This is 2 3 is 6 is multiplied, brings to this side, this becomes divided. Minus 16 divided by 6, that is equal to minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second. This is a rate of change of decreasing a wall height. Next problem, a man 6 feet tall moves away from a source of a light 20 feet above the ground level. His rate of walking being 4 miles per hour, at what rate of the length of his shadow changing, at what rate the tip of light shadow moving. Okay, this is light shadow moving, tip of a light shadow is moving. What is the given? If 1 6 feet man is there, that is AB is a 1 6 feet man, he is moving away from the source of light, that is OC. OC is the source of light, its height is 20 feet. And also given the rate of walking is 4 miles per hour. Suppose he is moving from O to A, this is the distance from source of a light lamp to the man, that is x, then dx by dt is given, that is 4 miles per hour. We have to find the shadow. Here shadow AD is the shadow of a man AB and OD is the shadow of OC. We have to find the rate of change of shadow of a man and also rate of change of shadow of a light. Light means the tip of the light source, that is OD, that is x plus y. We have to find dy by dt and d by dt of x plus y we have to find. Let OA is equal to x and AD is equal to y, that is given that dx by dt is equal to 4 miles per hour. We have to find dy by dt and d by dt of x plus y. Consider, take D as a alpha, this angle alpha, then tan alpha is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is for this triangle ABD, tan alpha is equal to AB by AD, and for a triangle DCO, tan alpha is equal to OC divided by OD. Therefore AB by AD is equal to OC by OD. This is because if our left hand side is equal, then we can equate the right hand side. AB value is 6 divided by y, and OC value is 20 divided by x plus y. That is equal to cross multiplication, 6 into x 6x, 6 into y 6y, that is equal to 20 into y. That is equal to 20 minus 6y is 14y minus 6x, that is equal to 0, or 7y is equal to 3x. This is because they both are divisible by 2. The equation we got is 7y minus is equal to 3x. Differentiate with respect to t, then 7 into dy by dt is equal to 3 times of dx by dt. We have to find the value of dy by dt. Dy by dt is equal to 3 divided by 7 into dx by dt value we know, that is 4 miles per hour, that is into 4. 4 3 is 12, 12 divided by 7. Therefore dy by dt is equal to 12 by 7 miles per hour, and this is the shadow of the rate of change of shadow of a man, that is dy by dt is equal to 12 by 7 miles per hour. Now we have to find the rate of change of a shadow of the light lamp, that is d by dt of x plus y. D by dt of x plus y is equal to differentiation of x plus differentiation of y, that is dx by dt plus dy by dt, that is equal to dx by dt value is 4 plus the dy by dt value just obtained, that is 12 by 7, that is equal to, here its denominator is 1, multiply both side by 7, so 7 4 is 28, 28 plus 12 is 40, 40 divided by 7 miles per hour. Now come to the next problem. Sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. The falling sand forms a cone on the ground. Here falling sand is forming a cone on the ground in such a way that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. Here height is equal to 1/6 of its radius of the base. This is the base of the cone. Here height is equal to 1/6 of the radius of the base. How fast is the height of the sand cone increases? That means we have to find the rate of change of height with respect to time when the height is equal to 4 centimeter. Let r be the base radius and h be the height of the sand cone. Take h as x, then r is equal to 6x, because we know that h is equal to 1 by 6 times of r, 1/6 of a radius, but here h is equal to x, so r is equal to 6x. The volume of the cone formula, V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Substitute the value of r here, that is 1 by 3 into pi into 6x whole square into h value is x. That is 6 square is 36, 36 by 3 is 12, 12 pi x square into x is x cube. We have to find dv by dt, that is dv by dt is equal to 36 into pi x, differentiation of x cube is x square into dx by dt. But the sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. The value of a rate of change of volume is given, that is 12, that is equal to 36 into pi into height value is given 4. We have to find rate of change of height, that is dx by dt, that is equal to dh by dt. So dx by dt is equal to 12 divided by 36 into pi into 4 square. 4 square is 16. After simplification we will get 1 by 48 pi centimeter per second. Now come to the next problem. A right circular cone has a depth of 12 centimeters and a base radius is 9 centimeter. This one, the circular cone is given, the base radius is 9 and the height of that cone is 12 centimeter. Water is poured into it at the rate of 1.5 cubic centimeter per second. Where water is pouring here, till here water is present in this cone. Find the rate of rise of water. Rise of water means till here water, where the water is there, till there we have to find the rate of rise of water level and the rate of increasing the water surface. Surface means surface of water is a circle in shape. We have to find circle change, rate of change of surface of the water, that is dA by dt, when the depth of the water is 4 centimeter. Depth of the water means this h is a 4 centimeter is given. At a time t, let r be the base radius, h be the height, v be the volume of the water and a be the surface area. Here a is, as already I told, that it is a circular region with the radius r. So v is equal to volume of the water level is equal to v is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square into h. From the figure we can see that consider this as a alpha, then tan alpha is equal to r by h. Tan alpha for this triangle is r by h. Tan alpha for this triangle is 9 by 12. Equate these two, then r by h is equal to 9 by 12, that is equal to r is equal to 9 by 12 into h. Both are divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 by 4 into h. Substitute r value in this equation, we will get 1 by 3 into pi into 3 by 4 into h whole square into h. That is equal to 3 are getting 1 by 3 into pi, 3 square is a 9, 4 square is a 16, h square into h is h cube. So v is equal to 3 by 16 pi h cube. Now differentiate with respect to t, then dv by dt is equal to 3 by 16 pi into 3h square. Differentiation of h cube is 3h square into dh by dt. dv by dt value is given, that is 1.5 cubic centimeter per second, that is 3 by 2 is equal to 9 by 16 pi h square into dh by dt. At h is equal to 4, we have to find dh by dt value. So substitute h is equal to 4 here, we will get 4 square is 16, 16 getting cancelled. 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. So 3 2s are 6 pi centimeter per second. Therefore dh by dt is equal to 1 by 6 pi centimeter per second. And also we have to find the rate of change of surface of the water, that is a is equal to pi r square, because surface of the water is in circular shape. Then a is equal to pi into r value is d 9 by 16 h square. Now differentiate with respect to t, we will get 9 pi by 16 is a constant. Differentiation of h square is 2h into dh by dt. At h is equal to 4, dh by dt is just obtained, it is 6 pi, 1 by 6 pi. Substitute the value here, we get 9 pi by 16 into 2 into 4 into 1 by 6 pi. Here 4 1s are 4 4s are 2 1s are 2 2s are and 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Therefore 3 by 2 2s are 4, 6 centimeter square per second. Now come to the next problem. This is on economics. First let us see what are the economic properties. Derivatives are used in economics, but the vocabulary used for rates of a change are marginal. Suppose C of x is the cost of the production of x number of unit, then the marginal cost of a production is the rate of change of cost with respect to the level of production. Hence, it is dc by dx. In the same way, if r of x is the revenue from the selling x unit of production, then dr by dx is the marginal revenue. The marginal revenue gives the increase in the revenue that will result from selling one additional unit, and the marginal cost gives an extra cost of producing one additional unit. Let us see some problem. First one is the total cost C of x in rupees associated with the production of a x unit of an item is given by C of x is equal to 0.007 x cube minus 0.003 x square plus 15x plus 4000. Find the marginal cost when 17 unit is produced. What is the given? C of x is a given, it is a cost value is given. We have to find the marginal cost. For that we have to differentiate cost value, that is dc by dx we have to find. For that at x is equal to 17 we have to find dc by dx. So find marginal cost, that is dc by dx is equal to differentiation of x square is 3 into x cube is 3 into x square, 3 into 0.007 is 0.021 into x square, minus differentiation of x square is 2x, 2 into 0.003 is 0.006 into x, plus the differentiation of 15x is 15, and x is equal to 17. Substitute the value of x is equal to 17 here. We will get 6.069 minus 0.102 plus 15. The answer is 20.967 rupees. Come to next problem based on a revenue. The total revenue in rupees received from a sale of x unit of a product is given by r of x is equal to 13x square plus 26x plus 15. Find the marginal revenue when x equal to 7. To find the marginal revenue, we have to differentiate r of x, that is 13 into differentiation of x square is 2x. So 13 2 is 26x plus the differentiation of 26x is 26 and differentiation of 15 is constant is 0. So marginal revenue dr by dx is equal to 26x plus 26. When x equal to 7, so substitute the value of x is 7 here. So dr by dx is equal to 26 into 7 plus 26. 26 7 into 7 is 182 plus 26, that is equal to rupees 208.